Hey guys, this is the gauge display functions. How to view different settings on your Alterra gauge. This applies to full-size Alterra models 500, 550, and 700. It's also the same for some Prowler and Wildcat models with this style of gauge. We turn the ignition on. The display turns on the basic info. On the top you have RPM, MVH, and your clock. In the middle, you're going to press the middle button to operate the middle selection. You have your odometer, trip 1, trip 2, and your hours, the clock, miles per hour, and back to odometer. If you switch your top to miles per hour, you will also be able to show your RPMs down here. Alright, so down here you have fuel, temperature, volt, air intake, temp, tachometer, and back to fuel. To see your voltage in more detail, just know how much voltage you have when you're turning the key on, when you're starting it, and when it's running. You're going to press and hold this to get the voltage to display. You will have volt, intake air, tachometer, fuel gauge, temperature, and back to volt.